Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper of your Jeep JL. It's actually really simple. The first thing you need to do is remove that trim panel between the back of the bumper and the grille. And you need like a little special tool or a screwdriver works to pull those tabs up and then pull them out. On the, what I did right there, there's two of those. And then on the back side, there is like four more. You got to pull those little tabs out. And the reason why you got to remove this plastic panel is to get access to the bolts on the inside of the bumper, or nuts I should say. So the next step you want to do is disconnect the electrical, and this prevents you from damaging the wiring that goes to the front fog lights. So you need to disconnect that. And then there's two 8mm bolts underneath. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is easier if you completely remove that skid pan to get at a couple of the other bolts on the inside of the bumper, but it's not needed. Just makes things a little bit more difficult. So remove the two 8mm bolts. And then behind the bumper, there's 8 nuts, and I believe that they are 18mm, and there's 2 on each side. So 4 per frame rail. And I got in there, and I got my little impact in there to get a couple of them. But the ones on the inside are really tight, but if you bust them free, you can get a ratchet in there, electric ratchet, and you can spin them out that way. There you go. I'm just doing it by hand because the struggle's real, and that's just the way it is. Electric ratchet comes out to get at the ones, and then lift the bumper off, and then set it down. So there you have it. It's pretty simple to remove the front bumper. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next one.